Welcome, sixth graders.
Sixth grade.
Hi, I'm Miss Biederman. I teach sixth grade math and can't wait to have you in class.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Jiggeson, and I teach sixth grade math and math intervention. We are so excited to have you this year.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Dillon. I teach sixth grade science. Welcome, sixth grade scientists.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Selvig, and I also teach sixth grade science. Nice to see you.
Hi, I'm Mr. Bickley, and I teach sixth grade ELA and social studies, also known as block. I also teach coding, first period elective. It's great to have you all here.
Hi, my name's Mr. Guzik. I teach drama, English for sixth grade, as well as the challenge block, which has humanities and English.
Hi, I'm Miss Moore. Welcome, sixth graders. I teach art, sixth grade art, and then a block which will be reading and writing and history. Can't wait to get started.
And hey, I'm Mr. Daschle. I teach sixth grade English. We're all so happy to have you here. We know you're going to have a great year. Bye.